Right, Luna's all done at the vet, so we're just on our way to Piff now. Feel like history's repeating itself all over again, but this time we've got the right paperwork and we know we've got it. So yeah, last thing for Luna is to get the health check certificate changed for an import certificate, and then we just need to go and get Carlos's stuff. We've done all our shopping, haven't we, darling?
Yeah, ready to go. Just need some gas.
Oh yeah, gas, LPG and tickets now. Let's hope this part just goes really smooth. Well, that was pretty darn easy. Darn easy. So Luna's all sorted, ready to go. Now we need to go and book our ferry now.
Just shows you to have the right paperwork, and then it's a piece of...
What he's trying to say, it's a lot easier if you have the right paperwork. Right, sorted. Right, excuse the terrible lighting and really tired eyes, scruffy hair, all of that jazz. Basically, today has been the longest day ever. So this morning we went to the vet's. She's got like a little like skin tag looking thing on the back. So while she was having her pet check for going into Morocco, they had a look at that, told us that it's fine, it's just a wart. And the other thing was, she keeps itching her bum on the floor. I don't think I'll be able to get a video of it because it's just really sporadic. But I'm sure people who have dogs will know what that is. It's their anal glands. So she excreted Luna's anal glands for her as well. Nick was like, "Oh, that's disgusting." Like literally. So she's all sorted. We nipped over to Piff. That was really easy, quick and straightforward. It is much easier now when you know what's coming. It's way less stressful. I think me this time last year was on pins waiting because I was still paranoid that we weren't going to be able to get in with Luna. It was ridiculous. But yeah, feeling a lot more relaxed this time. As much as I'm anxious about everything that happened last year, with regards to getting over to Morocco and doing all the ferry and all of that sort of stuff, I'm good with that. After we'd done Piff, we came back, went to Carlos's, booked our tickets, which was €270, open return. So that was really good. You always get a little present. We got some red wine and a cake. I'm sure Nick will probably get the munchies at some point and decide to raid that cake. Anyway, I needed to get a SIM card, but they had none in stock, so we had to come back, hung around the van for a little bit. So today, when I'm like reeling it off in my head, well, not in my head, to you guys, I'm like, it's been a really long, like, day. And above all that, every cupboard in this van is crammed full. We've gone crazy. So it's now 8:15 in the evening, hence how dark it is. We've shut up shop for the night. We've booked the ferry for 8 AM in the morning. You have to be there an hour before. Right, all sorted. Catch you in the morning. Anything going on out there? Oh, we gotta go up the stairs. Tired, Nick. Right, so we managed to get on the boat, fill in the visa form, and actually ended up the third couple in the queue. So we're completely done. We've not even left Spain yet. It's got, oh, I just felt a bit of vibrating going on. I think we might be leaving any minute. But we've got our visa, so we actually just get to enjoy the sail over. And by enjoy, I mean sleep. Right, Nick? Is that not cosy enough?
Because you want them to use this one.
Yeah, because it's mine. I brought in a throw for myself and he stole it. Oh, they're closing up, so we're off now. But catch you later. Goodbye, Spain. Right, what's crazy is I've still got a signal. I've been messaging my mum and my family and friends and whatnot whilst we've been on the boat. Meanwhile, thinking, I don't understand why we've still got a signal. Well, the reason we've still got a signal is because we're actually just going along the coast of Spain at the moment. I reckon Tarifa has got to be coming up over there. It looks pretty beautiful over there. Behind me here, that is Gibraltar. I'm pretty certain that's Morocco ahead of us. Morocco's just there. Makes you realise how close we are to the African continent. Crossing should only be an hour and a half, so fingers crossed we get there soon. I think we're racing the Balearia boat to get there. That looks well faster. So whilst I've been inside creating a reel to tell you guys what we've been up to, seems we've arrived in Africa. I was wondering why I lost signal. We're here. It's time for Africa. Are you awake now? You ready for a drive? Right at the back of the fucking queue. Wait there, what's this? Bonjour.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
And you?
I'm very good.
Beautiful.
Name?
Luna. She's a bit
Loony.
Cataluna.
perfect. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Oh, left. Oh, which way?
In a quarter of a mile.
Left.
Turn left.
Number 5. Okay.
We came last year. We love it that much. We come back again. Beautiful country. It's her van.
Mine.
I'm not important now. Doesn't seem as hostile, does it? This time?
No,
Seems
feels much calmer.
Nicer vibe.
Are you going to get out?
No, it's your van.
I was just going to say, you meanie. Good God. It's okay, Papa. It definitely doesn't feel as ominous this time. Nick's gone out waiting, ready to let someone have a look in with the dog. No.
Friendly or not?
No, she's a bit crazy.
Protected as far as
Yeah.
So it's different from the back.
But separate, yes, yeah. Sorry if it's messy. Luna, shh, it's okay. It's all gone now. Don't need to stressy wessy. I think they're at the back doors now. Hoping this process happens rather quickly today. Be really nice if it does, because we just sort of got brought right to the front, which is brilliant.
I just need a clue. We can pull over here when we go through the magnet thing, and I need to stop. I can't drive outside.
No worries, darling. Nick needs the clearly needs poor fella.
You're so relaxed and peaceful that time, isn't it?
We can't leave yet, right?
I've got passport.
Cool, we could really make some headway today. It's only 11.
If we can get out of here in the next hour.
We could be in Agadir today.
Yeah.
I knew you were going to say that.
Thank you.
Are we good to go?
Yeah, we have to.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Shukran. Well, that was a bit easy. Said white card is it's the import certificate. So we know we need to go to the insurance desk now.
We need to go back to the magnet thing, don't we?
No, we don't have to go through. We said we can go.
Yeah, but we went through here and then we ended up going up through the...
No, we're done. We're out.
We've got to go all the way around, babe.
I'm not sure.
We went
Do you
through here
reckon?
last time and then we had to go and queue at the magnet, didn't we?
Bonjour. Need passport? The white card. This one. Is it correct?
Correct, yes.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
There we go. Sorted. We're out.
We need insurance now.
If it happened like this last time, I wouldn't have even had a worry.
No.
Oh, here's all the touts now.
Just say no.
Over here we need to go to the left because the stalls are just over here where we need to go and get insurance and whatnot. We don't want an INWI SIM. We just want insurance. Bank of Africa, I need cash and then insurance. Yeah. So just park here, darling. Nice. Right, I'm going to get out and go and do the insurance. I'm not going to bring the camera with me for this bit because it's just all personal details. So, we'll catch you when we get back in the van. Right, we're here. We're here.
Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your trip.
Bonjour. 148. Woo! So there's a police stop in front of us. We've just done the toll. First toll was 148 dirhams. We're good? Thank you, shukran.
Love is gonna set me free.
Right, we have managed to go a mammoth amount of distance today, all the way from Tangier Med. We've just passed Marrakesh way and we're coming back towards the seaside. Sound like a kid, don't I? Back towards Agadir, basically. We are still over 168 miles away from Imudar and around 3 hours that'll take. We've done toll roads all the way, which is completely different to how we did it last time. Last time we did tolls only to Mohammedia, and then from there we never did a toll again. Whereas because of the fact we're wanting to get down here really quickly, A, because we want to get to the sun, and B, because we've got some friends that are going to be here in a few days, so it just made sense to do as much as we can. But like I say, we're passing Marrakesh turn-offs at the moment. Luckily it doesn't take us right through the city, or at least I hope not. No surprises please. But I've just been looking at some park-ups and really weirdly I've just come across one that we actually stayed at last year just outside a restaurant. It was just as Nick and I both got quite poorly, so we've decided to maybe skip that one and try somewhere else. You know, we don't want history repeating or anything. He's busy driving, absolutely knackered both of us, but sun's going down, we'll see how far we can get. Right, I've got a feeling this is the last toll. I'm just in a little bit of a queue to pay, and of course we always choose the worst queue.
Always.
So far we've spent about 20 quid on tolls, but the journey, had we have done it without tolls, would have took around 16 hours. And on Morocco rules, not official rules, is that actually you pretty much, you know, add a quarter of the time onto that because it takes ages. So this toll route has actually been a bit of a godsend. The sun has gone down, it is really dark, but you can still see the light over by the sea. It'd be really nice to get there when there's a bit more light, but I can't see it happening. I think we've still got 30 odd miles left and 50 minutes, so let's see. But we're getting closer to the thing. I wonder how much it is here. So I've got a feeling this one's going to be quite a big one. Bonjour. Ça va bien, merci à tous? Good.
276.
27. Woo! It's the biggest one yet. I bet you speak better than my French or Arabic. I can't do it. Shukran. Thank you. Have a lovely evening. Take care. So I've just worked it out and it comes to 495 dirhams, which is like 50 euros. So you're looking at maybe 42 quid. We would have used at least 4 tanks of diesel coming through the non-toll route because it's so hilly and crazy. So overall, because of the fact we wanted to come down here quickly, I think we made the right decision. However, I am so ready to be parked up, chilling out, sitting on the step and hopefully looking at a beautiful view. That is what I'm hoping for. Fingers crossed. But for now, we get to watch this beautiful sky and we've got all of this to come ahead of us. I'm so excited. So that's it for this week, guys. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. We are nearly at 1,000 subscribers. How crazy is that? Oh dear. So this is the reason why they tell you not to drive at night in Morocco. Oh, no lights on his bike, driving no hands. Also, drop into the comment section below and let us know what you've been up to. And don't forget to tell your friends about us. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count. Luna. You're not important this time.
So I'm trying to open the doors. First thing, it's me on the head. Fucking mozzie fucking thing. Then an alarm hits me on the head.
An alarm? What
Yeah,
alarm?
an alarm, I don't know. And then the curtain thing falls out, knocks my glasses off my head. I catch him like that, and I'm like,
The dog's gone now, Luna. You can chill out. Luna!
The good message, good vibes.
What the good message.
The good message, good vibes.
I love that.
go on, it's up.
Oh, 276. Oh, fucking hell, that stinks. Gee.